Even when the taxi driving reckless the people have to take them because there are no choices in Jamaica. People suffer uptown, downtown and around town for Jamaica Urban Transit Company buses. Jamaica Urban Transit Company mashup. It rough out in the streets. JUTC office, this parked bus. Downtown Kingston, Jamaica. The JUTC inspectors sit in AC in that parked bus and don't care one diatmeth the people get bus to go home. Jamaica, mash up, gone to the dogs. Then after waiting, standing in the sun for 1, 2 and 3 hours, when you finally get a bus it's filled with garbage. When someone can be so nasty to leave the box they ate from in the bus. And there are no one to clean the buses. It rough a jam down. Every corner macajuck you, ha ha ha.